jura.
Is that for one? You gotta get Talaman on today. DJ Bulela. Chop!
Sorry, life.
DJ Bulela.
Tima, Tandi batwa ga ke jaive Tima.
Why is that?
Ke tsela ka o jaive.
But you're jealous.
Wena a ke jaive a ke go jaive le pitse le jaive ya no. Meme wa em o zore. Dula ke diste. Ke je kusiras. Ato unzore.
Boy, yeah. Talk.
Mutu pinta mo ka kasi kola kasi. Maria. Angay mo kasi nyawa yak. Viewers at home, sabe mo. Na ha ke re itse ke host ya lona ya lefatshe, ke host ya lona monate. Le ke le qoqeleng before ke le dumedisa. Le tshabe mo. Today ne re sa shootele mo. Ne re kreile pleke e re shootelang ko go yone viewers at home. Ya ba No, come little shootela mo. Ga ntse ne itse gore ne ipractice nna. Enna viewers at home. Ne ke sa batlela go motsenya boshula madula. Hanka
DJ Mumphamisa ka Mumphamisa. Ka yona pina.
A go go tsenya boshula. Tandi sa digalo ha ke batle for motho a shula le ke show.
Bulela DJ.
Go sa dilo. Go sa. Kalitana khair. Na, nje ka itirang. I ke go o jaifile. Ha ke batle batho ba se ba o seleke o jaifa smart o so lovely jaifa smart. No ke nana ke tlogole di president ko wena. No, nka jaifa guys. Oba nka re. Oba carrière. Oba ka itsa carrière. La bonne. So I ke batle guys, I like na ke motho tlhompang batho ba tona. Ke Redumediseng viewers at home, please greet us because on today's show we have a surprise. A big surprise for you. Salibalang he re sebeletsa ho kwala this show. Now today we have a big surprise. But before I can get to the details of today's show, Elinzele Salibali he motho o le hostileng a buang le lona hona jwale ba mo ratang ba mo tsebang ba re ke Osi o lovely, Osi o like, Osi dira dilo tse di all right. Ke Lerato Selike, host ya lona ya Mhlaba. Yes, it's a good evening ya bosiu. No tjena ke good evening ya bosiu. Yes, now ke kopa fela le keneng le re dumedise re jwetseng fela hore le na le rona because nna I am a person for the people. Now how the people ba se present to the show, I'd rather not do the show because I am here for the people. Do you know Mtom Kulu? Do you know Mseleko Junior? And do you know Umbuzo? Dinombuzo emininchi for Ubutu Mseleko Junior. So please sit back, relax, be with us, Mare, before we do medicine, guys. Please greet us, le rejoice horena, na, and then Luna on today's show le expected hobona okay? Malindi si Motlaja Ari, ma Osi. Areng Emma Osi Lerato. Okay, ne ke tenegela motho ne ke tlo Emma ba re Jaifa Novi Osi o lovely Emma mo skemela di couch a lona lona ge and then ba tsena ba tshega bitumelo tumza a re dumelang tleng hello to me Marifilo mogela a re dumelang ka mohelo tumisang a re Osi Lerato wena ha o batle right pick le go tswe out o ntsha nna out nna be ke tla decide for ha ke tlhaloganye ka mo o ka re founela go tlhalosetse story sa gago comment ya gago ngwana go e ka re ena le matla e ka re powerful ha ke mametse so e ka re dumelang bola vi hello honey pulem pulishen we understand o tlanehela moruti vi ya
Pula.
nna gape ha ke batle go nka glory batho because ka itse ntho nka e etsang yo and then Malindi a re dumela ke le shebile ke le Mozirast Neo educationalist sehlo a re ho lovely wena lovely dumela hello Mpo Rose a re halatu and then Agnes a re hi come on George Light Pastor Novi, God bless you. You prayed for me and I have a testimony.
Wow.
Oh, we thank God.
Wow.
Yes. Ntabise Ntladi a re dumelang batho. Ke shona batla go dumela motho ha Ntabi. Hello Miss Kat. Shelly Mohokare a re o motle yang Lerato. O motho wa pele wa go mpeletse ke dutse le batho ba sa bui taba eo. Thank you and thank you and thank you. Kore untira motlotlo man. Sophie a re dumelang baratuwa ka mantswe mang batho ba teng tate moruti.
Okay.
Is batho ba teng yo a ke itse no go diragalang. We can run the show. Open this show officially so. Ke a le dumediswa ke Osi Lerato Selike ke Osi o lovely. All right. Ke le dumedisa re le mo season 2 ya The Right Pick. Now for motho a qalang ho shebela Right Pick season 2 it's a live ske wa phazama he o botlo re quotela di Bible ngwaneso ena na show ke a live dating show. Yes, ke yetsa le ntate moruti November but ho yena na ha re rere ntate moruti is in the journey for mamngane. Ntate moruti re bile le a live dating show ya The Right Pick season 1 where ntate moruti ana a khetha and then ntate moruti o khethile Osi by the name of Relebohile hona re mmitsa Lebu. Now Oslebu yena she made a promise gore if on khetha ntate then ke tla o allow to take a second person kapa a second partner, and then re beng into this journey ya o tsebana together, then ho fihlella lenyalong. That means Oslebu na re ntate moruti nna ke tla o dumella ho ba a polygamist. Ntate moruti he yaba Oslebu o qholotsa ntho ene ntse le teng he. That is why re le monana today. Re monana because we are in the search for Mamncane. I hope I made myself very clear. Now ering he ke dumelle Moseleku Junior hore a dumedise, and then mpolelle hore na today we ikutlwa jwang because dibeke tsona ntse di thetheha re ntse re tla re etsa show ena. Now re jwetse hore na a le dumedisa a ba bua fela o ikutlwa jwang a ba thola.
Okay, guys, dumelang. Like also lovely as a buile. Let's about na ke ntse ke patlo ndiafuna ka nnete ke ntse ke tsamaya ke bina se fela se reng dala Yesuna ngifuna Mamncane nga.
Wait,
ntona ba imarisa tle
ke motho a sound e beile a re voice ya ka e loud.
ke re jwale ke tlo shebela ka ona the sound ke a tseba le nna tlo bua shebeletse ka ona.
Okay. Yes.
So ke ne ke re
mare ga ke nana di candidate di bone for motho o nang le tease a ke re o mo
ba sa satana jela mo. But like I said ka nnete ntse ke kamaka ntse ke le but now e ka re ke fihla mo ke yang.
nna mare ge because bentse re etsa show re le bararo today re like ke fihletse wena. Now ke kopa le ntse le batla step
a bohloko
le Oslebu as batla
a monate
ke kopa o sa marabela Oslebu wherever you are, ha o re shebelletse ke kopa re founele ke batla o utlwa hore na are you still into this ha ke batle ya rabiwe ke wena ntate.
okay
Yes, ke kopa yena a re founele before we can go to the candidate. Oslebu re founele o mpolelle if nnete o sa tsebe nna because ke motho
my guy right
nna because ke motho a lokileng ke motho ya mosa ke motho ya mohau ko re ke lokile man ke kgabane go motho kgabane ke kgabane ke ntse tsena kaofela ke le fa chance le bua phone ke le fa chance le ka se tlogalla step
no swell
nna ke ne ke le fa jaka ke la fa ke wo
ke ya phone
hello mme
Dumelang.
hey le kae girl
Hello, le kae?
ha monate le kae mme
O monate ka re tsotso ka mona, ke le shebile.
why o ile le Sotho mme e le hore
Ke le
ha di sa ntsha mo ha le sa kopana.
ntse di ntsha ka mona ho na le tshimo e ntse ke qetela ho e lema.
Okay mare wena le ntate le ntse le tswella hantle tabeng tsena tsa lona tsa love.
Ha monate haholo.
But Oslebu kopa botsa, are you still happy with ntate moruti?
Ke thabile haholo go ntse ke le happy haholo fela.
Okay.
Haholo. Yes.
Re life monana ne and I want me before kinka candidate ne ko fe monyetla onana the right pick because re monana ka ho builda malapa ke re builda malapa because motho mo le mong a tlotla mo a ba kgetha partner o tlo kgetha partner e ba yang lenyalong ha se show o kgethuwang di girlfriend. Now ke ne ke re nna ko fa monyetla wa hore if o so sa batle step ngwaneso o ka bua hona jwale ra khata show ko fa monyetla ho ba ke lokile ke mosa
go khopo hle
o ka bua le nna fela wa mplela hore o se lerato sa nkimela ha o tshilo fela o qetile
jwale o butle pele o araba
sa batla a utlwe voice ya gago batho ba berekisa batho ba strategically viewers at home yo ko motho a batlang voice ke re njetse he o santse se batla step ngwaneso kapa re kwale show
Sethepu ke santse ke se batla ebile hona jwale ha ke a se dulela se ke se emetse ka maoto.
Yo.
Se ke se emetse ka maoto ke ya se batla. Ke ya se batla kore wa ha ka mpa batsatsing le motho wa ka o thola mosadi.
O se busheba o na le chance ya ho jikisa o na le chance ya ho tjhentjha dikelello.
Ha ona majika re a pele ha ona majika ha ke hetle ha ke nna ke a pele ntwana ke ntho e ke e batlileng tse ke eme mantsweng a ka Sethepu ke a se batla and I'm happy itse ha ke se bua ka fumana hore ke se bua ho motho e leng hore o na santse a se rata.
Okay.
Yes.
Come on, someone later how you today. It's just that you are busy with some of the things. Kalisutu. It's not like how Salimnati di by game.
Ka nnete ke ntse ke le busy ka ntho tseno because le maobane ke ne ntse ke le kerekeng ke ne ntse ke na le ena le maobane o tlile monana o sibu
maro mo hopotse kapa ha wa
mo hopotse haholo Gore ka ne ke sena le ena maobane
le ka mosa
that's good. Mare le together re kopantshitse di do thank you me.
No, but
before drop.
Mo botse hore ha check basadi step o bona dintho easy ha ntsa bua le bona
ke batla
ka batho ba tlang ho yena individual
ha ke a utlwa ena ha bua ka khatha
memele ke ne ke lakatsa ho botsa hore na o bona ntho ya step e le ntho e easy na batho ba ntse bua le bona ba ileng hore ba batla ho joinela ntho ya bomamngane. Is it an easy thing ho bona kapa ke ntho e thata kapa le batho ba buang le wena jalo a kere remember wena o amohetse ntho e leng hore some of us are struggling ka yona. Now batho ba tlang ba tlo bua le wena ke batho ba ileng hore ba ithabetse kapa ke batho ba itshabang kapa ke batho ba sa irati.
Wa tseba batho ha ke bua le bona ba tla be ba bontsha ba na le interest haholo gore ke bue le bona ho fihlelletse motsotsong wa qetele ke tla bona hore motho ena ka nnete o ready hore jwale re ka motlisa le interview fela ebe ha re fihla qetellong o bone le motho a senga khutla a thaba kapa motho wa ba thaba hore jwale o lo hlaha live di social media o ke bone fela hore batho ba e batla fela jwale ba na le ntho eno ntse ba holder back ba thaba.
Okay, ha re bue ka basadi banana kapa bomme kapa bo ausi banana ba ileng hore bona ha batle for bo babngane but batle be ba qoqa le wena ba qoqa ka step. Now ha ba qoqa ka step le wena ba qoqa e le ntho e easy for bona e ba itabelang kapa jwang.
Ke kopa o khutla hape ona le mo khathile
ke re Meskat a kere ntle le batho ba batlang ho tlo ba bo mamngane hona le bo mme hona le bo ausi ba ileng hore ba ntse ba bua le wena ka thoko but ha ba se hore ba batla ho ba bo mamngane maybe ke di friends maybe ke di relative la iqoqela fela o bona ntho ye ya step e le ntho e bonolo e ba e amohetseng easy.
Nkare ke gola ke bua le mofuta e mmebedi ya batho hona le batho be leng hore ha ba bua le nna ke batho ba bontshang e le bobebe hobane ba shebile bophelo bo re bophelang hona jwale hore o tlo thola hore bomme ba nang le malapa a bona bontate ntse ba tswile ba shita so ba bona hore ha hona ka tsela e nngwe go fela re accept hore bontate ke batho ba ileng hore ba ka ba le leihlo ka ntle ho feta ho ba qhale malapa a bona ka hore jwale a re o sia monna hae for cheating jwale ebe o sia space hore motho ana tla kena so hona le bomme ba e amohelang hore no ntwena e ausilebo o etsang hona ka nnete re bona ka nnete e re thusa because re khona ho amohela hona jwale hore bontate ntwena ya bona ya le ihlo ka ntle ba sheba bomme ke nature ba se ba e amoetse ba bobetse hona le bomme ba sa utlwisising taba ya Sethepu at all go ba sa utlwisising ho hang ba filang hore a tsena nka pa ka amohela motho wa ka ha chita iseng a be le mosadi e mo because bomme bona ka tlholeho ha se batho ba amohelang ho share.
Okay.
But majority so far be ke buileng le bona ka nnete ke batho ba amohelang Sethepu haholo.
Okay Slebo ke thabetse haholo ho bua le wena hle moratuwa wa ka.
Ke a leboha moratuwa.
Ntate a re o hopotse o dumele ka moo.
Ke a tseba o nhopotse hle, our own Xhosa Free State Mfelebu Junior.
Se ne ke a re no e ska ba ho fedile pakeng tsa ka le wena jwale why le girlfriend ya ga
How are you?
you?
It's far from being over, Ena.
Oh,
Far from being over. Far.
okay. No?
Yes.
Yeah, no, but o re basadi ba bang ha o bua le bona e bonahala e le into difficult ho bona.
Ba bang ba bona le ke ntho e difficult ho bona gore ba hloka fela tlhaloso gore ba utlwisise gore ke batho ba leng gore ba hloka fela gore motho e ka ra ka ba hlalosetsa haholo gore ba understand because le ba bang ba ntseng le hona jwale ba se ba utlwisisa step ke batho ba nentse ba sa understand but now se le batho ba understandang haholo.
Okay.
Yes.
No,
Okay.
thank you so much. Bye bye my Pontusa.
Bye my baby.
Today we shebelle ka re ke tla bua le motho be ke kwala show jwale
Le nna ka rapela.
ke tsamaya le basadi because ba re dieisa batho
Mara jwale mpolelle ha le tsamaya toropong le tlo tsamaya jwang? O tlo tsamaya ka mahareng?
ke mahareng
O tla tsamaya mahareng.
Jwale
sometimes
a moholo ke ena tlo tsamayang ka right kapa ena taba hore right left.
rona agree runa baby agree ntso e me mantsweng a hore if o re thola motho if motho le moholo
if re thola motho e leng gore o moholo ka dilemo and then ebe molao wa lenyalo o re dumella gore ha motho wa moholo ke ene ka ba mmamkhulu na I don't mind.
Hey man. Ke batla batswadi ba o hodisitseng ba tlo ba matsoa o no di mahla can need but we thank you for such understanding hle
re buile le ntho
Okay.
re buile le koko
Westhembu yo
mohlomong ntho tsa rona di ke tsa tsamaya hantle o tla ke re mo invite
Le lo bua le ena.
hey
le no ke tata o bua le yena sharp
wow okay re ke bua le wena before re ya ho candidate because ke nana ha re se re le ho candidate then ha ke tlo thola monyetla wa ho bua le wena
Okay.
because ke lerato ke mosa ke lereko ke pelo e telele ka tshwarela ke tsetsa le batho ntho tse ole ke tse right go fa monyetla no re le life nentate wa hore o ka wa ihlatswa ntweng ya step wa e cancel
a ke sana reverse tepo a ke sana reverse a ke na reverse
how na reverse mix
I go for step I go for polygamy without
yes
libitang apologetic
without being apologetic
yeah no
oh yeah why
yeah,
straight
I'm not
then Ntate Moruti one can ask especially for first time
take for instance ona jwale lebo hayo o Lesotho o na le tema bana ne and you know the nna a ke le motho kgonang to be all over wa bona
I want divide attention
no ke bolela hore ha ke na di-friend ha ke kgone ho ya kwana ke kgone ho ya kwana
mare ratse ka birthday ya hao tla bo spenda ka tlasa half day ka kereke o itjella bohobe ka lebese
wa bona
Yeah.
so nna personal a ke motho ya tletseng ya bang le bagotsi o nang le hore no nka tsamaya le bagotsi ba ka ke kae no nna you know ke phela ke dula ke le one if ke sena
meeting kereke o dutse mo
ke dutse mo or if nka bolela weekend from this beke tse leboa le nsiko ka tsona ntse ke tla tlo dula ka tlong ya tla tlo dula le no le
o tla
fitla
bo re sendela video
ke le rona ke a
o
itulela
tla bo shebelletse TV
ke shebeletse TV
ka nako ha ona le motho o qoqang le yena
Ha ke na no.
okay mare one can ask Remember I said now I'm here for the people, ne? And I know ke ile ka botsa potso e before, but for people ba leng hore because ke shebile our show is growing haholo. Now for somebody at qala ho shebella o tlo o moruti and then wa pholoso, a marriage counselor. Why oya for step? What does God say? Kapa what does the Bible say about polygamy?
Ibile ne ke bala scripture says in ke kawashi ka Sunday. Sa Corinthians chapter 8, chapter 8 kapa chapter 7 verse number mama. Obana ibile Paul o ya ka yena a supporti tabalenyalo. Paulo sa supporti tabalenyalo all together. All together. So come on mama. But Paulo se ore ke le dumela o lenyale ka baka la ditakatso.
Yeah.
Tsa lona. So it means lenyalo ka bolona o latella Paulos o ntse se la proof mara o re dumela re nyale ka baka la ditakatso rona ka baka la hore ke tsaba hore ditakatso tsa lona eng so again hona le dintho tse Paulos a di beyang hodima rona hore rona we must make
our own decisions.
Yeah, hona le mantso a buang a re mona teng ha ke na boikgetho ha ke na matla hodima lona empa ke lefa ke le yaka. So for me ke tswa re motho mo tla rona batho moruti wa pholoso Pastor November ha una montate modima kileng are a so kopana le scripture montate modima rena ha ke dumele step ka ba ke se batla a so kopana le scripture into ibile ke tseba gore giants banna ba neng ba servant tate modimo ba ne ba ratang tate modimo bana bana le basadi banna ba bo Abraham
bana le mosadi
basadi basadi banna ba neng ba servant tate modimo
bo
Abraham we can name them we can name them bana bana le step but ha ke so ga kutlwa ntate modimo ram I'm angry for ke runa fela batho ba tla ne ba be le bothata so nna personal. And the other thing we need to understand is only a mong o lo ja tshwa ke ntate modimo. So if what I'm doing is wrong ha ba itlwelle ntate modimo ke ana tla njacha because the last thing e ke tlhalosang gore le runa hona le batho ba singa ra di polygamy ba tlo njacha mare ba be ba ntse ba le ka ra tsona ba cheata intse le ba pholoswa e le ba ruti intse le bo mang hona le ba ruti ba jolang flat ba jola ka passion hona le ba Christ ba bozalwane mona ba jola ka passion ke sa tsebe wena mara ba pholoswa gore ba jola ka passion wa
ke ne ke ipotsa for yana o jikile yang o botla mo gonna o jikile
no ne ke etsa example because if we are lentswe la ntate modimo so many things se re di etsang tse o lentswe la ntate modimo le sa di dumelleng.
Okay, yes, but here is somebody o monna hae a cheatang ne monna ha tsamaye kereke ke mosadi o kena kereke ya hao wa tla walla and then wena o nyala step. What do you say about such things? Because mamela akere hona le basadi ba banna ba bone ba ba dumelang ho tla kerekeng ya hao ba senang problem and you know hona le bomme ba ifostang ho tla kerekeng ya hao banna ba na le problem. Now monna wa cheata ne ha monna a cheata meo o tlo lela jwang ho wena when wena bilo yentse polygamy ibile o yentse fear on social media.
Number 1 na le monna wa mosadi re tla beretsa dintho tse different. Nna ke cheat ke anyala ntate yane wa cheata so ntate no sile ya o batla ke lo mogannela
jale ha basadi ba batla ba lla ka cheating o tlo re ba dumelle banna banyana
mamele o bona
sure
ke tlo etsa mohlala ke na le 2 weeks ke kena Motheo FM ka Wednesday ka 9 o'clock ntse ke bua ntwena ene ke tlo ibua as much batho ba sa batle itso molomong wa ka as a pastor but cheating a ona mohlang basadi ba tlo stopa le basadi ba reng bona they don't cheat, they don't share. Le tlo share ho fihlela Kreste Messia.
E re ba tlo share hle ntate sa etsa jwang? Kupa for today you ene. Yo, well, ntate.
Listen.
That's ba tlo share hle ntate.
Little share. Silike, le viewers. Cheating is going to be there until Morena Jesu atla. Itoba and Hubatu. One namu puta waka. Ntate wa kerekeng. Hagat and Dadumrut. Le naki batla nyala step.
Yeah.
If mosadi wa ya sna butata, I'm going to help them. But re tlo tshwana like ba choose, because remember a step sinali the advantages
and disadvantages.
The same way lenyalo le na le advantages le di disadvantages. How about ba tlo nyalana beside it ba ya step before ba ba nyalana ba ya pre-marriage counseling ba preparelwa lenyalo ba thuswa ka di challenges tsa lenyalo le ka everything. Ha ona mo sefapane teng le step the same. But to tshwantse ba thuswa ka sona. And ya di last like le viewers, I still believe step le lenyalo le bitang into polygamy le monogamy. A una mo di fapane. A di fapana all together. A di fapana next.
Okay.
I will emphasize in that thing your dintotana di fapana. The only thing the example agree the last time kare but bana le bothata ba hore when you go for polygamy to apele ba ibotsang e ka bonta tona le chelete.
Yeah, the finances
di jwang. Ke re nna I don't think polygamy if fapane lenyalo le even lila monogamy.
Yeah.
Le ntse le batla di finance.
Okay.
The reason why libata, because you must remember little rana linyalo, little rana the responsibility, the household, little patala school fees sabana. Beside the polygamy, linyalo, lintel libata chelete. And nowadays, linyalo halisa request a chelete banin fela. Because things are too high. I mean,
too expensive.
Life is too expensive. Linyalo halisa requesta.
Chelete from
the men only.
Yeah.
But marriage is requesta or monna le mosadi batusana. That is why the couple in saying rena le batho batusana rena le monna yo mosadi wa ya sebetsa. Tate wa sebetsa le monna wa sebetsa. It means that thing you want to as much as it's a marriage. I mean, it's a polygamy. As much as a polygamy, but in the monogamy, like but by two. Lintel Babata, Chalet. And that is where Nalintatia Sebeta, Limosadwa Iba Sebeta. Come on to about Tusana to make their marriage easy.
Okay.
Now the difference Kalika polygamy, your fella, now this time, Hoto Sebeta about our bait. I mean, Hoto Sebeta and Tate as a man.
Basadi by two, but two sana this journey.
The same way Monna Yane, Anna Limusadi one, but two sana. Basibeta together.
Limona and a fella
Limona is the same.
Okay.
But the bigger problem it can be when Unyala Basadi, Basna Mato.
Okay.
Basna. Then it can be a problem because if Baliba bait, Utontu Tobasha come. And remember, before we go further, real holy. If Kiwunyeti, really ba beti. Hona le banna le basadi ba nyananeng ba share the responsibility. Do you know that?
Yes, I know.
Monna otarana I will pay the house. Tomorrow I will pay the car. Tomorrow I will buy groceries. Ba share the responsibility.
Yes.
Now, I don't see anything wrong when I'm like hore if mutunyets obunyala basadi ba babedi belito share the responsibility. Okay. Now because you must remember na banna re afapana hona le banna bana le chelete who don't need basadi ba bona ba sebetsa. We cannot compare ourselves le banna ba jwalo. Ba tla jotsa rena ke batla mosadi wa ka dule hae then basadi ba ka ba dule hae then hey hona le motho ke batla re mfone.
Okay. re mo founela no ne ke re ko botsa potso di last
mpotse hle
okay o no batlane le now monna ha ke mametse because I am more into the reality shows ne le ntate Mseleku o na le vision ka step sa hae tla bolela hore he married basadi ba banyetseng because yena ona batla bana ba 20 ne wa ibua yena ona batla bana ba 20 o batla a big family o batla now wena because ka dikelello tsa rona le ka tshebo ya rona mosadi a yuane o right for it now butle ho ikitse ho ya ka dikelello tsa rona le tshebo because a kere rona we like to label things
okay
hore ke moruti wa pholoso now santsa tsamaye hantle tjena le tjena e se le rona re ipela now I want to understand wena what is your reasons for step
okay can I the reasons
because it's just that fella maringa o botsane because
mbotse before ngani into
onyala because you don't have self control
nna
lori maybe hona le ditakatso da o phame shit o botsa ya moruti
o ka mo phutha wa ka dintho tsa mpotsang tsona
Jesus no le tla intshwarela marekisa tse ke botse mare marekisa tse ke botse man yo ka botse because looking at ke batla ba understand looking at your age then that moruti ha o re o holela ka hare ho step o hola le these people you are at this age you are 50 plus ne now o batla step now question might be elo go ha una self control over
okay
yes
my friend Papa
my mentor how are you my mentor
right wena
I'm good
o ile Botswana Lesotho
ke ile Lesotho I'm back ebile now I'm live mo Facebook ka taba yane ya ka ya o batla a second partner now
okay
let me introduce you mona ke bua le mentor ya ka ona le basadi ba 3 wa Limpopo re kopane TikTokong
dumela mentor
this one ke le rato Seleke she's the host ya show yena ya ka ya
the right pick le ka ntate
rona le kae
I'm sorry ka o hijack man I'm sorry my friend
no problem
okay ntate I hear when you have 3 wives
yeah
married you married all 3 of them
ke banyetse ka ofela ka setho wa mathomo ke na ke rileng everything lo wide way
but can you please because ke botsa ntate moruti can you please allow me with due respect and please understand this I'm asking with all the respect ne it's just that I want to help people that are watching the show
okay
yes and ke batla please more understanding to me and the viewers at home now ntate wena what made you to decide o batla o nyala step and nako o no decide how old were you
all right gone jalo I'm 43 ne
yo okay
very young
no ke na le dilemo tse 43
okay
but mosadi wa mathomo ke dutse le ena ke na le ka 2006
okay
wa bobedi ka ba ke nna le ena ka 2011 then ra re tja break nyana ka ra ba le first born ra tja break just my have then ka 2014 ra ba re boelana but ke tsone ke na number 3 ke kredi number 3 so ha ke lo banyala ke jo banyala a ke lo ntsha magadi ke nyetse o August 2 ka Saturday Sunday ka nyala August 3 ka 2015
yo
o tla bona le dilemo tse kae
yes
okay and then in hore taba ya step was it your decision kapa your first wife decision
no ke tlo ba honest a gona mosadi a ka go tšeelang sephetho sa gore a ka go fago ke re tumele gore nyala o dutse no ebile my decision ke bona gore ai se ke na le bana le batho ba ene ke rata bana nka se ba lahle
Okay.
ene ne ke ntse ke tee kwa le nna from ka gare ga pelo ya ka gore ke monna wa sethepo because ne ke sa kgone go dula le mosadi o mogwane.
Can I ask why? Was it because of maybe you being too much sexual active? Kapa, was it maybe maybe some other reasons? What was your reason for not being able to stay with one woman?
Ke nna ka mokgwa ke leng a se taba sexual go shorta sex over go ba le sex e godimo no ke ka mokgwa ke leng ka gona from bonyaneng baka a ke re ke na le di-first born tša ka ntle ke re ntše ke senkanyala bo mama tsona
Okay.
ka tša 2003
Okay.
so ke thoma tswela ka bo 1998 ga botsana so 1995 then a ke thoma ria o ratana ga botse ke thome ka bo ma 2000 so be ke na le girlfriend tše 2
Oh.
so ga ba ntše ke jola le bona ga ba ima ba le 2
Yeah. Kabenza masitepi wena wasithoma mo lenyalong o somile right mo di-girlfriend.
mo di-girlfriendeng yes
Okay.
ile wa fihla nako e leng gore lebile gore ke tlo se gona ke te bone ka yona nako eo kare a ke re ne ke ba utela di-girlfriend so gore ke na le di-girlfriend tše 2 ke ile ka etela ko mongwe a ba etla le ena sampotse
And then ba kopana ba le 2.
ba kopana ba le 2 ka spenda 2 weeks ke na le bona ko roomong e 1
Yeah.
nna roomong that time
Yeah.
so ke mo ka bona gore ai o ka re ke a se pusha mara ka re le bona be ile bana le nna ke le ngwana a sang ra kgona go se tsweleletša gabotse
Okay. Okay,
ka ba ke tshaya gape ge
okay,
ka ba ke se kgona
o bo se kgone ka understanda pila ne gore now
Yeah.
step sa gago se thomile ko kae but ke kopa gore botsefa gore what are the challenges ka mo gare ga step you being a husband to the 3 women?
a ke re remember ke na le batho ba bararo ba 3 different characters
O mamelo tse di notes.
yeah so ke na le batho ba bararo ba go fapana ka sepedi ba bararo ke 3
Yes, ke 3.
so e no nyaka gore wena o le ntate ste o be like a joker sala ba pala dikarata na nting ba re ke joker joker ke karata la e wina mo ka mokapa o sore 1 ke 2 no tsena ke 1 ka ba ke 9 ke pedi ba 9
Yeah. The joker
o le ka mo
ke
o
everything.
tsebe gore ya ko ra o le ka mo wife 1 o phela le ena ka mokgo o tsebang gore o rata ka gona o le ka go M2 jalo ko rena ke tshane ke tseba gore ke kgona go ba go phela jwang le bona
O ba bitsa pila M1, M2, M3.
M3
ke ka re wa se batla
E ne re ba bitsa lokwa ke M1. Ke bo mmamogolo le bo mane.
yeah wa bona
Okay. Then come on.
manyana go ngwe cause a ke re le bona ke batho
Yes.
ba na le go no ratana di-concept but di a feta re family re big family a gona gore go ka diragai so tšatši le lengwe gore o tsena ga M1 wa hwetša ba le 3 ba feletse ba daile le bana ba go surprise ga e bone tšatši le lengwe ba ko M2 M3 jalo so this channel life re tlwaetšeng because if you can check up from 2015 until today
Yes.
ba le gona ke phela le gona
Yo. And then going forward, do you think you're going to take the 4th one?
no I ke sure but ke tsa ile mpaletse
Okay.
a ke sure ke try ke tlo ba honest ke mo try number 4 ne ke tsane ba mo tseba ke mo introduce to di family tsaka so umpaletse
Oh, now I don't know if maybe onale M1 kapa onale M2 kapa onale M3. Do you mind fela ha re ka mo ra dumedisa ra bolela le ena papa?
Oh, a ke kontlong nka ba ntlong ka bo sa le mosebetsing ka bo around maybe 9.
Oh.
Today ke tsatsi la M1.
Okay, today ke tsatsi la. Oh, and then le ya ka di 10s. Ba ya ka di 10s sorry. Today.
Yes.
a re bana le ka kopana ba pheye ba dule ba le kaofela.
Today ke tsatsi la M1.
So come on someone today ya go M1.
Yeah.
Okay, papa. And then ke kopa go botsa ne. Financially, when it comes to the finance, how do you tackle it?
It will imanyana because mara remember ke jolo sona gole ena nna ke ntse ke ba eta 1111 but ke beso ke re for now ka dilo di atura. Roughly monthly I must make sure ke na lo 120,000 for 3 families.
Yeah,
Koloi akabale 120,000 because ke na le bana ba 9 ka and bana ba ka ba banke ma triplets ba banke ma twins
yo
ba tsana dikolo mo go yone tsa go dropong school fees di godimo wa bona
so 120,000 la ithusana kapa ke tšhelete santse mo wena le one
ke tšhelete jang go nna ke le one a ke re tšhelete ba sa di ba ra ireki
I bereki yona ke fake
and I was
ke fake ko di shopo
yeah so ke no pusha ka na tsela e
okay ntate okay no re itumeletse go bua le wena mare ga if o santse o spend 120,000 ha nahane ha no na le mosadi wa no tlo spend less
ke nagana gore gabe ke na le mosadi mo wane beng ka tsebe le wena tšhelete
Hey, o tla ka nako e.
modimo le badimo ga ba mpha tšhelete ba tseba re yo ja ke bomang the time ke na le mosadi mo wane be ke 5 be ke 5 tsebe tšhelete
nna ke feditse go bua le wena se host ke lebogile thata if re ntse re le life ka bo past 9 ne re tla boela ko wena go founela just further to greet M1 and then
M1, okay.
Yes
no problem
okay
Thank you, man.
Facebook ne
yes re Facebook papa
not TikTok okay I can have Facebook but I'm on Facebook
okay M1
Thank you so much, my big friend, my mentor. Remember, I'm owing you a visit. You are also owing me a visit.
hey
yeah first man to the ball
Yes. Thank you so much, Ndat.
thank you
Sure. Yo guys, yo viewers at home. Baba guys, NR ntate. Ngabe a ile mo, I just hela o ka itla a itjola mo tsile. Ka bana le 4. Yes. Hey, ha re bone ko wena. Ntate o le before traumatize again. Ma go tlo ntate o le spend bokae?
Hey, that is nothing.
Come on, Jamang, when out, I'm a mobile 2. We'll spend about 90.
No, you need to remember, Ori. Only this man, I killing Kamwana Asaile show. I reckon it's basadi by the quality too. So people were commenting more. Yo, you can imagine if that man and snatched it. The first until mom cool response are guys, my husband Hane Kopanalena, he did not have money.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
I didn't lemonno from zero. Ababu Ronald Banabakai, Limuna Wahai, about 20 something years. Ababu Alimam Nani, Unas came Bansaba Sokabas
Baba stable.
Baba stable. Mare, Bamu to seat, to build
Oh,
their life.
okay.
And that is why. Because tloko jwetse ho ba easy jwang le seleke. Tloko jwetse ntwe ne operator jwang guys le understand. When utola, that doesn't mean basadi o tshwantse ba o thuse ka tšhelete. Mar if ba hasela, ba etsa hore wena o be easy. If ba sebetsa ba hasela, ne ba etsa hore o be easy ha o na le 20,000. O ske wa share easy. O ske la ija. But le o kgone ho sebedisa 20,000 yen to make more money or qetelong ya qetelo o kgone ho tlo ba spoiler. I don't know whether I can say.
Because okay, come on someone ore when ona le basadi and then ba be ba hasila and then it happens ho o thola 20,000 because ba hasila le bona ba ipela something on the table for that month o kgona nka 20,000 e o yetse another chelete for that month maybe ba ka izama ka o hasila
Bazama.
Now
ba o thusa because when unkile this Slay Queen ba sa sebetse ba sna plan ba sna even a brain ba sna le kelolo boko to help you and to support you. Ke bona ba o tlo thola ngore when you only 20,000 le tshwantse le ije
salulu
tshwantse le salunong tshwantse le ije le etseng. That is why banna ba bangata ba se kgone go build maphelo a bona, and some of men that is why ba sa kgone lo o build maphelo a bona hore ba tle ba kgone go supporta basadi ba bona.
Okay.
Do I make sense?
Yes, whole.
Do I make sense? Because this man keep qilele about just so into business. Now when o thola basadi ba bohlale, they are also supporting you to build bophelo ba hore qetelong ya qetelo gone o ba hlokomele.
Okay.
The only thing e re shapang rona black people re na le di batho ba ntho ke go poetsa tsena fela ke go poetsa tsena batho ba so
o tlo demonstrate viewers at home, Lindsay Salak Balike, Right Peak Season 2. We are in the search for Mam Nani. Now, then we talk to a candidate, but Hato Baten on the show, ka phone. Now, hey, today's show is different. I can say it's way too different.
And you know, this thing is
okay,
it also happening. Le batho ba ka renga ba sinkara step, mar ba ka rata relationship.
Okay.
Hona le bontate ba ka releng ba sinkara step. Mar ba lenga rata relationship. Tlotandi. Ki o mosadi wa ka. You are my wife.
Yes, ntate.
Now, ki jola le Thandi. Thandi, she's my girlfriend. Now I'm the husband. Ki dutse le a wife. This wife, mosebetsi wa e ko etsa.
Ko saka.
Saka. Le girlfriend ya ka ka ngwena ya saka.
Okay.
Wabo. There is no way. That is why banna ba batho ba sa surviving, because re ba le disaka.
Sure. Hey. Today's show is on another level, ladies and gentlemen.
If una le disaka, people ba sa o thusing. Ba re la ba saka, but at least ba refile. Now the problem is when unali mosadi yeling esaka obunjola lidi esaka hap. That is why banna ba batho ba safara. Now la ha ka ba le basadi ba o eling disaka, you are not going to survive. It is the same when only a man with a wife yeling esaka, you are not going to survive.
It doesn't matter how many wives you have.
It doesn't matter.
As long as you have a saka.
Now the problem,
that means you can have one wife. I care about polygamy. That means you can have a one wife who is not a builder but a saka. How to builder. And then obotola moto abali two wives ali into polygamy. But basadi ba hai ebeba basadi ba builder. Abatsola ho feta wena. Now abatsola ho feta wena wa mosadi ai one. Waba, agree, but polygamy chalete e. Now, today, after we demonstrate, I now understand, Hori, it's all about mufuta wa mosadi o nanglien. It's not about the number.
It's not about
It's not about the number, but it's about the kind of woman you are married to. But okanyala mosadi a one, as long as you are married to a saka, haona mhla builder. Okanyala basadi by 3, like ntato re qetang ho bua le. But mifuta ya basadi ba dulang le bone ha se di saka ke di builder. That's why as a khona go ntsha 120,000. Now today on today's show we have learned hore it's not about the number. It's about mufuta, the kind of a wife, a kind of a woman you are in love with. Finish.
If retusanang, if retusana, whether you are alone as my wife, and then retusana naluena,
yes,
ne naluena retusana. Now le how o Osaka, I told a problem because naluena retusana.
Okay.
If kitisa mosadi wa bobedi retusana,
wow,
le ha le saka.
And
if le thusana le motho e leng a hard worker ya monna tsara mo re a thusana a re qetile. That's when hosane le nna agree as a man o tshwantse ke ne ke sebetse ka thata. Sometimes even if lona ha le khone ho thusa na tshwantse ke sebetse ka thata. Now at least when re se re sebetse ka thata, now little John the benefits. Kilisa Grachino. Who is Kitolisa Grachin without hesitating?
Oh, okay.
That is why Banna Babangata today, they know how to Balo Rekala Masadi Babona de Koloy, Balo Rekala, because Masadi Babona, Habaka Baba Disaka, I guess we will.
Yes, we will. I that we will.
Commented in ere.
Ari Yos Fapanusle, I love that man Wadi M1, his vision and how he handles Tepisa, how Kiamutla, and I'm still saying Chelete ya munna na kairata he munati rea utwa ya sebetsi bontate se thepukiseo. Okay, mara una acknowledge ntate wa yes,
ona le di business no but o tlile o tswa ka radio one room.
Yeah, ntate moruti
a rona dula ka one room ne it means o building ba fihla ba mo thusa to build and to help your partner to build a se tlhoka le re le wena o lo sebetsa but you can be there ka brain and supporting your partner.
Okay. Hello buale candidate ntate. Now candidate o arabile so profound, but I want us to go back to the question in go buditse yona before re ka bua le candidate hore e le hore wena vision ya hao ya step o nyalla eng kapa maybe taba ya ne ya o hlola a ona self control ditaka.
One, I'm going to be very honest.
Because I get we are asking like this because one can ask, but not more to 55. Why marrying 2 wives? Ile hore ho etsa halang ba.
Ne ke sebile ntato mo jalaf onto.
Single and mingle.
Ntatano kapona le 60 something.
64.
68.
68.
68, only 68. O batla motho. O batla partner.
Mara ke re ntato re ka karare hana yona. Partner.
Ke tlo tla mo. Now, number 1. Wa bana baruti kaofela. Even if baruti ba ka try ho ba strong, to act strong. Muruti, you are a pastor, you are a president, you are a doctor, you are muruti, you are a bishop, untate ya sa tsamayang kereke. But all of us rena le a common thing. Mpotse ke
that common thing.
rena le common thing. Ya hore ditakatso tsa banna tsona di a tshwana. We've got the same nto ke re last. Rena le takatso e tshwanang. A ke tsebe ke bitse last kapa ke.
Ha re ditakatso ke
Ha re last ka re rena le ditakatso tse sa controlling. Not the last, I'm wrong to say
last.
But ke re rena le problem e one ya banna ba ke batho ba ratang sex. We love sex.
That is why le nyalang basadi.
We love sex. Banna ba rata sex. 2, a re tla tabeng ya sex, banna ba nna taba ya pele a ke batlo cheata ke ya pele ke batla ho nyalla because I don't want to cheat ke batla basadi ba ka ba i2 a ke batle more than 2 nna 2. The reason why, because ke batla 2 because ke qala step ke le moholo. I cannot if ne ke le young jwala ka ntate o qadile step if I le
43.
43. Then you understand that this man who qadile step
Ka bo 28.
ka bo 20
Because yena a re ha so ka date motho yuane.
jwala ka nna.
Oh, okay, yes.
Ga ntse ke le soka ke ba moruti.
Mara ke re last week, that other week we itse la no swantse le moruti. Wena ga ka mantse ba sa lotsa maka 2 weeks.
I sa le tsa maka 2 uswaka.
Okay, le yena a tsho jwa.
Le nna isa.
Okay.
Now number 1, I don't want to cheat. I batla go sokolana le nne ke matha kwana ke kwana ke batla go sokodisa.
Wa una no tla cheat.
Ke tswa re tlo cheat. 1, I'm sexually active.
Ha una control. Ha o khone hore
Ke a rata.
o le moruti ha o khone hore stop it in the name of Jesus.
Buruta bo kopane le takatso. Buruta bo kopane le takatso. Ha o tata thoa pulpiting sex e re.
Mare
Now, ke number 1. 2, I still want to build manyalo. And I think that one, that one it was supposed to be number 1. I want to build manyalo. Sineke, ha una motho a sa bone re manyalo a ya fela. And a fediswa ke cheating. And this cheating, eating since eating ho tloa ka Bible until today. Cheating is a little thing. Now, my aim, kataba step, ke batla to build a manyalo. Ke batla to, as much ke tla to stop at cheating, as much ke tla to stop at divorce. But but how be baba raro.
Yeah, ba manyalo bone aka save.
My aim ko save manyalo a itseng. That is number 1. Number 2 ke taba ya hore ke
we
tikanetse. Ya boraro, basadi as much basa ba to admit the complications tsa basadi di ngata tse ding tse etsang hore banna ba bona ba end up ba se ba cheat as much ba sa matlo dumela. Complications tsa basadi, number 1, lena nako ya di period guys. Ne lena nako yo le yang di period. 2, lena nako yo le nto lena le
menopause.
No, not menopause. I'm pregnant. Ona nako ya pregnancy. Okay. Ona nako le fitlang stage sa ba pregnant le ba tswana. And 3, hona le basadi la re ke ra reng bao nto libitsang nto takatso ya bona libitsang eseng high. Libido tsa bona di seng high. Bona le basadi ba sa rateng sex. Bao libido ya bona e seng
high mix.
E seng high. Kore abatle sex. Kore ha interested. Wa bona. And those are the things that qeteletseng di etsa hore batho ba cheat. And those are the things about batho ba tshwantse ba di dulele fatshe ba di check because they are there. Basadi ba ba le di responsibility sometimes, and most of the time ya o qetele ya before. Le ha re etsa bana ka ramanyalo. But most of the time, bana iba baba basadi.
Yes.
Iba basadi babang so much attached to
baneng ba bona.
And I tell you, sometimes manyalo amang a safara because musadi o attached to baneng o fa bana attention. That is why basadi ba bangata o tlo thola bile ba ba so much happy bana le bana ba bona. Monna la ka tsama ha mind so lankana le bana because hona le basadi ba bang so much attached. So ntho ya step nna ke batla go sebedisa to build manyalo, to protect manyalo or manyalo as ka fela. Ya o qetela ke o fela. People they need to understand runa banna taba yena e ka runa ya hore re a rata banna ba bangata ntle le banna ba kula. Right, atena ka itata.
Ako re tlogelle banna bikeng re bue ka wena. Wena you go in there because wa ithatela le di complications tsa basadi.
Lady nna hape ke ne ke dula le mosadi wa
Gape wa itshaba for o ka cheat. A o itshepe.
a se ke na le basadi ba bidi a ke na le baka la o cheat.
No, re lebaka le leng le le dirang for o batle step. Ko go wena self.
Ha
o itshepe. Ke batla re bue ya lo bua setho. Okay, tade ke kopa re nke candidate. Can we call candidate? Re mo founela ka phone efe?
Yeah, re ka sebisa.
Okay. Ha re founele candidate. Viewers at home. It's about that moment. We are calling the candidate. Maybe, who knows, give feature M2. Yo. Okay, in that day. Okay, in that day. Okay, in that day. Okay. Okay. But ntate Moruti, hanze re batla candidate ne. Re bile le the right pick season 1. And then hatla batho, you met with people. And then rabale right pick season 2.
E right ka WhatsApp.
Ke efeng o ka reng ho yona e bile difficult.
A re
bue le tshwara phone baby, I'm calling you. Candidate, I'm sure shebeletse Facebook. Please, my sister ke kopa tshwara phone hle. Ke batla o kwala show hle my darling, tshwara phone ke bue le wena. Anda te santse ke lo batlela go. Hona le go e black and white. Ke nana nka mixa di color. Okay, viewers at home and I ke batla go feta because she might be my last candidate for this season. Yeah, the right pick season 2. So ha ke batla mo feta ke kopa fela re batlaneng le yena. Please. Ha re batlaneng le yena and then go utlwe gore na ha re mo batle ntate hle, ha re mo batle. Viewers at home, re batlana le candidate, re tlo bua le yena because now we are about to close the show. Oh, ntate. Viewers at home, I don't know. My darling, ke kopa o tshwara phone hle. Going 5.
Fire.
4. Maybe ke sign.
Sign.
Ya go tlwele step.
Le go jealous.
Viewers at home. Candidate re buile le ene. Now ke kopa fela a tshware for ntate.
Mo phone lo swa gape.
Viewers at home, send them the comment le mpeleng gore ha maemo a le so. Ha o no le nna no tlo dira eng?
O tshware buruta bo kopang le taka ke mang ya re ha o le buruta heavy sex. Like nongo like igela re buruta bo kopang le taka.
Batho maybe I understand that to bua. Viewers at home, ke ne ke founela candidate, and then 5,
4,
4,
3,
3,
2,
2, 1, cut. Ka o rialo ra mo feta. And now I'm
Ona le
sorry.
nngwe.
Yes.
Ona le nngwe.
Eya. Ke na le ene ke nagane gore ga ke tlo e founela. Ha re mo founela.
Mara wa uri ona no ra motho mo founela.
Mamela ntate.
Because
ke ne ke nagane gore yene yes mamele ke kopa mamele ne ke nagane today re tlo nka candidate A1 because I get there was a lot of interviews now re ske ra interviewer di candidate re buile le ntate o re buile le wena and now re etsa eng di se ke ra ba dinga
ona le nngwe le nna.
mamele ge
Oh, ke na le
be ke nagane gore ha re bua le onan re tla bua le ena and then re kwa le show go fenako now go fenako but because ha ga mothola ke ne ke nane o re tla mo founelang
le nna
a re mo founele
nna ke na le candidate ke.
okay
A gore ke check.
okay
Ken, okay.
okay that yo
Yena ke mo tshepa.
o so re isa speaker
Yena ke mo tshepa. Yena ke yena ye.
wait Ferry hey girl hello
Hello.
le kae
Ke teng o ka o mo nice o mo lovely.
ke teng yes wena o itse nna ha o mpitsa biao o itse nna wena okay darling ke teng o kae
With my dear.
yes re bua leina ka po batla stay anonymous
No, te kopa re ske ra bua le ina please.
okay can you just tell me here how old are you the interview viewers at home I'm with candidate Yahoba M2 now dulang fela mo le mamele ha re mo interviewer re batla ho utlwa gore na ke ene kapa jwang
Ke a utlwa le madinga ka ke.
Okay.
ke re ke qala bona ntata Thabile oh see
Ho thabile nna.
hey bathong okay and then
Finally.
finally it's happening
Ha o tlhalohanye wena se mo lovely ho ke fitlhile bja mmo.
no but as long as o fitlhile as long as bona o tsedi mo right pick skat
Gone.
yes please tell me how old are you and how many kids do you have
Okay, I'm 38 of age. I have 2 boys.
how old
My firstborn only 14 and my second he's 9.
okay and then o sokile wa nyalwa
Yes. I was in a marriage at a very young age for about 11 years.
ha go tshwane wena o dutse
Yo,
o na le savings o na le savings re wena re ka o direla Stevie Gate and then now tell me man ke eng ntho e dirileng gore o feel gore at the age of 38 years o dula ko plekeng e right o le right be le gore o batla step
Go went nnete ne ke sa batle step. And then ne ke sa bone ke nna mo stepong. But ile hantse nako e ya mo especially after nyalo ke tswile molone ile go ke tla ke kopana le motho everything ile sharp a ba shite le re kgaogana o kopana le o mongwe go tsena tswello pele then it came to my mind gore mare whether ke a rata or ga ke rate batho ba bontate ba ithatela so yes so meaning gore go tswa mo nna as mosadi gore a nna ke tla ipankanya gore motho wa ka a phele a tshite bjalo o re ke ipankanye mo moyeng gore go siame a ke nne mosadi wa ntlha or wa bobedi.
okay then this thing ya gore o amogele gore you know banna ba cheata and then because ha ke mametse ore o nonna mo di relationshiping right and then o nontshiwa ke cheating right now ke batla go itse gore na ke eng e diragetseng gore o bo ikitlhele o amogela taba ye because
ga se taba ya go amogela o so mo lovely ke taba ya go ipankanya ka ntlha ya seemo se e leng gore se teng sa etsagala and se tlo nna ntse sa etsagala so the sooner re le basadi e taba ya gore re amogela but e le taba ya gore re ipankanya mo moyeng gore bontate is in their nature ha ke ba buelele I'm not mo gendeng ya bone but is in their nature ke bokoa ba bone if nka e beya bjalo
mara wa ha re se ke ra ya thata korone ke bona batho ba bang ba itumela ka mo
so ke bokoa ba bona bo e le go ba tsetse ka bona ntate modimo o ba tlhodile ka bona so the sooner okay ke welele nna ke ipankantse gore ke amogele bokoa ba bontate now the reason why it's a little really more ke batho tsena mo setlhopheng sa ga November e le because of ke mo follower
before re fitla mo go following o ipankantse neng ka taba e ya cheating
ke ipankantse after sene ke bona gore nka se jumble to relationship ya ba the same thing ka jumble to the other relationship ya ba the same thing
yes
so ka bona go le mo
relationship tsa gago tse kae tse di fading because of cheating
Ali bue
the number no I want to understand
okay
I ka se bue into details maybe I can tell fela gore go faditse tse 3 kapa because I want to get to understand taba ya gore wena o bo feleletse o bua le wena gore you know what because of the relationship tsa ka tse ikana tse faditse I am now okay ka step
ya go tlhalosetse o se mo lavi o nkutlelle me skatene after lenyalo le ke bile mo lona le leng gore ntate o ne ke nna lene for 11 years ne o ne a tsamaya in the morning ka 7 ga go tlile ele ke bo ma 10
bosigo
ne bosigo yes ka di weekend go it was even worse okay a point ya gore yang costa ke bona go mare mo gona motlaketso mo lenyalong le ile after go healing khaka the relationship taken to more than 3 go ya bo 5 ke ga ile cheating and we can mo fa se ka lebella ke re ma as a woman is it can nna ke leng gore maybe ha ke khone go khotsa bontate bana or le baka ke but ka kira ile gore ga se taba ya go nna ga ke khotsa bontate ke bokoa bo bana le bone ke sa ba bullele Am I making sense?
You are making sense, my darling.
Thank you, my dear.
Okay, now... le weakness. Now, ntle you making yourself to understand weakness ya banna. Ke eng gape ntho e dirang gore o ka batla go tsena step because remember, a kere no yena o tsenela go nna M2. Ili mamngan. Now remember you have a chance. Mom cool. Now remember you have a chance. Ya go start the relationship obo amogela step. Ne. Now ke eng ntho e dirang gore no ntle le the weakness now. Now I think I want answer ya gago. Eseng weakness ya banna. Gore now wena ke eng ntho e dirang gore o feel gore o tsena mo go se.
It is because of kinali fear ya gore should it happen gore ka nyala gape ke nyalwa ke monna o leng go hare mo sethepu still gape shitting it over the problem so it's better give mo sethepu se leng gore I will know go handa ke a se yo mo gae then we ile ko mamngane or we ile ko mamkhulu
then why you say ithomele shone
no nga se thome sone ka gona le ntate November o leng go o thomile ya no nna le ntate November le sister wife a tswele
glory
okay now Harry Bueka you relocating to Bloemfontein are you willing to relocate kapa when are you going to have a family o tabole mamkhulu o nanko and then mamncane and neko
I get a problem both ways now for now it will work for me whether I can allocate it's fine whether ke tla be ke le go then still it's fine ga ke na bothata
okay Ke go ba botsa potso ya Dilas.
Okay.
As much as o tsena mo Sthepu, I think as much as go na le di good things tse leng gore da go pusha, but I believe go na le something yana e ka causing fear. Now,
Okay.
e le gore wena right now, what is your fear joining polygamy?
You know, fear ya ka ke eng ne? Ke gore as much as ke batla go tsena ha November, what if this thing doesn't work? But ke na le faith ya go it's gonna work only if daddy yena ka bo yena o tla be a re treata in the same level. Go sena ba mo treatang ko dimo o go sena ba mo treatang ko tlase. So daddy a treat o mongwe ko dimo ko tlase ke mo teng mo go tlo bang le mathata mo teng. So ke yona fear ya ka eo. But should daddy a re treated the same, then our November ke go le tla be tletse ka Bloemfontein e.
Okay, my last question in ebe ke fan tate a bue le wena ne. How far are you willing to go for saving lenye? Let's say wa tsena and there are challenges. How far are you willing to go
How far am I willing to go ka eng?
in saving your marriage, your polygamy marriage?
As much as things mo lenyalo le le go le ne na le toxic and so many other issues in ka se di buing for 11 years. This time ke tsena ka tsena o fana go ke yang go teng. Ke tsena mona my sister ne ke batla go aga. Ke batla gore ha November go be le lerato go be le bofuthu. Wa ntloga le gore na le material things or whatsoever. No, I won't be saying go kitlisa lerato yo ba a cherry on top on the cake that I'm coming with. So ga ke tsena mo table tsena ke nile mo fatshe ke ipankanya ke ka bua le nna pele gore is this what you want? Yes ke ntwe ke batla o tla e khona na? Yes ke tla e khona. As much as re tla be re le bararo ke feel go ka tla be le babedi because of yes it's gonna be me and sister wife, with sister wife and me gonna be one coded. So I'm in until re tla gagangwe ke le gore le bararo.
Okay, there ke nagana gore ke feditse go
ke di dintho tse bad side like
ke eng dintho tse ka reng these are my
bad side.
weaknesses kapa bad side?
Meaning that my weak points, right? My weak points ke gore ga ke rata I give my all, but then go bofelong be le go ga ke kere ntho e ke e fang back.
Okay.
Yes, because you find out who give in a relationship with a person o tla beng e le ena I say the first move go one rata, then I give the love back. I guess, but then hanse na go etsa maya le rato le ke mo fang lona e be nna gore le fella mo moyeng. Remember if you go Bible ganyane, ne? A woman is not meant to love but to respect. So le ga o ka fa monna le gato go ga le fela ga ona ntho be dira maar if fa monna respect then o tla go na le go le yang ko teng.
Okay, and then engwe ke eng?
We point in happy.
Bad side, something e leng gore le wena you are not proud of.
Something that I'm not proud of maybe to be overprotective, especially when coming to my family as a whole. Because of maybe sometimes I Google the outsider gore o going ke mang but ka kira le go ke protect my family in I don't know if I'm making sense.
Okay.
Am I making sense?
mare ke finto a sa rating
ntho e o reng ha o e rate ke yone yo fela ya gore o overprotective o sa e rateng ka
wena e ho wena
ntho ke sa e rateng ka nna
e mo go wena
how why did my love
ke fe nana njwetse ke finto yo ring mari yena yona in sabotage di relationship in tsaka e yentsweng ke nna e yentsweng ko wena
ke nana ka ba jealous.
Okay.
Yeah. e ka ba jealous, but remember at that time ne ke se ke ipankanye gore ke tsene mo stepeng ne ke batla ntate o ebe ntate wa ka ke le one. So go tsena mo stepeng yes jealousy e tlo ba teng but not ya boloi but e bontshang gore yes I'm jealous about this man because of ke mo rata.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
So jealousy ke yona o no e handle jwang jealousy ya hao?
Jealousy ya ka
No lwana o no
kwata.
no kwata.
ntse ne ke etsa ne ke sa bui and then go sa bua gaka then le gone go irang gore e feletse le occupied because of how bui le ena ba ditimala then e be re kgaogana just like that.
Okay. Last question e ke hore ona le bana ba ka ithune
I love it too.
ona na bana ba tlo enka jwang taba ya hore o kene stepu le batswadi ba bana ba tlo enka jwang le family ya hao
Batswadi ba bo mandidi.
batswadi ba hao?
Okay. Gore batswadi ba o ikena le mama go tlhoka.
You know why ke botsa? Because most of people challenge ya bona it is not like batho ba tsaba step. My problem is ke hore batho ba tlo reng batho ba wa ria ka batho.
Okay, tla ke go arabe dit. Nna ga ke ke tlo e bua sentle ma ke tlo e bua Bibeleng ka teng. Ga ke na taba le gore batho ba tlo reng. Ke nagana gore my happiness e tla pele. And then ya gore batsadi ba ka ba tlo reng. Batsadi ba ka they always support me most of the things especially ba bonang gore di a nthabisa. So when coming to batsadi ba ka my family in a circle gore ba tlo reng ke taba ya bone a gona monna ke tsena mo teng as long nna ke tla be ke ra ntho e nthabisa not in the bad way or ka hotel. But then when coming to the kids ke tlo nna le ba bone mo fatshe ke ba bolella bana ba ka from now on this was going to happen. Ke dire go ba tlhaloganye ke bone batho ba ileng gore they are close to my heart ba ileng I cannot afford to lose them. So ke tlo ya go ba tlhaloganye okay fine the marriage didn't work le le bone. I've never introduced anyone to my kids after the marriage le ke le mo yona. Now mama o tsena mo situation e yana which ke nyalo le neng go tla bogele mo mama ba bedi. Now going forward this is what we're gonna do.
Now mplele is there any time mo kileng wa kena wa ba polygamy even if it's official kila jwala le bo monna motho mohlomong kapa ke ntwe ke le ona le experience ya o share partner?
Hey, ne ke ne question you did.
Okay.
There was a time e ke tsene mo
le volume batho ba utlwe mo.
Oh I'm good. Okay, there was a time ke tsene mo lenyalong ntate o le ke bone gore wa pereng meaning obviously o nyetse. I guess then mo tlhaloganyong ya ka ga tla go nna go ne ke nna nyatsi go yena ke me to find out that the ola o ne a nyetse 25 years nyatsi e nngwe e nna ke ne ke sa itse by that time ana le yone for 19 years.
Butlepe a nyetse a ba ba le side chick ya 19 years.
Yes.
Yo tla go tlhalosetse ka ga ba nkutla pele ke ne ke tsene I guess ha ke tsena ke bone o nka tole o nyetse ka go wa pere a ba mpolella 18 years. I guess ntate o nyetse for 25 years. Nna ga ke tsena ke dumelana le yena go tsho go nna go ya ka nna ne ke nna number 2.
Yes.
Down the line in 3 years ke ga a tla go nna ntlha a re ka itse wena o nagana o wa bobedi ga o wa bobedi o wa boraro ka botsa gore ao ya nyano ko ntlheng o sa mpolelle go bona a re ke na le nyatsi e le gore na le 19 years gona le nyana ga na motho ke nna fela le go gang ba itse nna. So because of that only go se be le nnete go ntlheng ka bona go mo go ne mo nka se tsene ga nna mpoletse go ntlheng ne ke itse ke tsena mo nthong e ya so ke tsene mo nthong e le go ke amaka.
So ratana le ntate 3 years.
3 months this in 3 years.
Or 3 months. Okay.
Ke ba bangata ba ba irang dilo ke pela gore ga bana sebete se le sa gore ba itlhagisa.
batho ba ka ra polygamy nana mosadi o na le
19 years.
now ya di last kana o wa sebetsa ne
Papa.
okay now wena o motho ya jwang o motho ya believang gore when o ya lenyalong if o ka thola monna o tlo tsamaya le bana ba hao kapa a kere go na le batho ba believang gore bona ba tsamaya le bana ba bona o ya lenyalong o move in le bana ba hae e mongwe gore no nna ke kopa go sia bana ba ka ke lo ba le nako le partnera yaka then bana ba tla tla ka morago wena o wela kae
Nna nka ithibela thata ga ke ka tseiwa le bana ba ka ntlha ya gore ga ke na mama yaanong ga ke ba tlogela le mang and then ba sa le ba bannyane ba santse ba tlhoka care ya mme they are still under 15 both of them.
Okay.
Then ya di last how kwatile how do you react
Ga ke kwatile baby ke a ditimala ma ke make sure gore letsatsi ga le phirime re sa bua. The reason why ke ditimala is because of ke batla gore temper ela le anger ile di go tlase because of ga ke kwatile ebe ke bua go fetsa le go yana o ka I'm disrespecting you wa bua le nna ke a bua you are raising your voice le nna ke raise your voice so ga ke kwatile o kutlwe botlhoko ke a ditimala then mo la ga ke siama ebe re nna mo katsededi 1 2 3 ga ke rata 1 2 3 a re etse jana but letsatsi le ka se phirime re sa buisana
tshebeletso ka dikamoreng wa e rata kapa o e rate
ha monate jwang every day bona ke ya tsena
Hallelujah.
Amen.
Ana o tlo dula kae
Honyana baby currently because of situation baby
o tlo dula kae somewhere
okay a re ira bana baby a ke go tlhaseditse because of situation e ke le mo yona ela honyana ke mo Rustenburg mara ka mosebetsi ke berekela ka Ntshila.
okay
Yes.
naqedile
No, Lena, I'm done. I'm done.
Ka botsisa potso ko dedi.
ya ne ke re o fa chance
Go fa chance ena ka botsa yes.
Okay. Baby ke na le potso tse ngata ma ke kopa botsisa fela tse tharo.
okay
Baby ke a tlhaloganya gore le ba la go ke eng go botsana mo step e bile ke respect to it. It truly take a good man with a good manners gore a ntshe boyena ga se ba botle. Also ya ka ke gore baby as much as ore wena o batla ba se dira ba baby not more than 2 and le baka le golo ile ka ba go o sa batle go chita ke ba tlhoganya baby go she really happen go ba ka di ba ha ba le 2 ba ba mo kgweding ka beke e 1 e ira ya
ka beke 1
yes
yo
ba le 2 ba mo kgweding
Cause ya diragala.
ya diragala
Ya diragala.
le diragala
okay ke tlo araba po karabo e very dangerous and very sensitive ke na le karabo ke na le ka hloka karabo
Ke rata mo sensitive mo.
una la ka hloka karabo
Kreile.
okay
a jo bile
ke re ne ke re o se le tlo nana
O go kreile like
nana on crazy
go like a no le tlo go tswa mo go yona.
are
A re ba ruti re tlhophiwa ke last.
oh okay tlo go arabe gaitsedi akane I'm going to be very honest
okay
basadi le a fapana ne intimacy sex ho na le batho ba having sex ba bang ba have sex to an extent aba kan babang kana ko ya babang kana ko ya
Dipirots.
dipirot ona le batho ba nyonyang dipiroto ka pelo tsa bona kaofela ne na le basadi ba nyanyang dipiroto ona le banna ba nyonyang dipiroto 2 hona le motho yo le kala jwalang wena le ena then o thole gore the way le ratanang le connectang ka teng ha le nyonyane ba bang
Okay.
o thole hore ba sebedisa condom ba bang ba tsamaya ka temana ya hore Moses o na tshele lewatle le le lefubedi
Mare, Mo, in this case, it's not about Babang. It's about you and your 2 wives.
that is why ke re go tlo dependa basading baka gore ba e mong o feela jwang re connecta o le o kae go etsala eng because it can happen gore ga ke tsebe gore wa inyonya kapa ha inyonya
Mare, ha re tlose basadi. Wena, o ka e batla na. Wena, ha re tlose basadi ngore, ba feel jwang.
Pele ke
Arabe straight.
ke teka mo
Lovely, ha ke motho. Ke so mo nice mo lovely like go dumela.
no una re no I'm nna ke se ka rabela bontate I must answer for myself wabo no what I'm trying to say kore nna ke flexible ke flexible
O kaya, mosale mo di Arabe straight.
ke flexible snake man ke flexible so
Go ka thabiwa ka tlung.
go dependa
Like, grabe.
go dependa gore motho yo o phelang le ena kapa e batho ba itlabeng ke phela le bona ba tla be ba fila eng le nna ke tlabe ke fila eng because on a serious note let us be honest go na le batho bao ba kgona go roba go ever sex ka dinako tsa di-period go na le ba sebedisang protection go na le ba o tla thola gore ga ba batle even go thashana go dependa mofuteng wa batho meaning le nna ga ke tsebe batho ba ke tlo kopanang le bona o tlo etsa
Mare wena ha o mind.
Ha ke tsebe.
Qetelle sentence ha.
ha ke tsebe nka re
No, ha re tlohelle bona.
okay
Utlwela dedi. In other words, o batla gore le ga roboto e le ready wena wa fita.
no mohlomong ka ke mohlomong ka se ke
It tla dependa ka mood.
e tla dependa ka motho
Okay.
Ntate Moruti. Wa ropa.
ke flexible guys ke flexible think I'm fair about it ke flexible because according to my experience go na le batho bao ke kgonneng ba bang ba neng ke kgona go kena ba bang ba ne ba sa dumele I mean ba ne ba le nna le kutlwa fela le nna go na le batho ba o sa kgoneng le wena ntse o utlwa ra o kgone so that is why ke re ke flexible ba ke di experience ntho tsena gale ke pele
or maybe they can never if did this heavy o ka nne wa kena.
ga ke sure mare ba bang
Okay.
o dependa guys mare ntho e ke le arabang yona wa tseba ditheng e ke le arabang yona do you know that ho na le batho ba sunehang o bua le batho ba sa suneheng
Ba bang khamati.
okay let me be beside ba nkga mathe batho ho na le batho ba sunehang easy ho na le batho ba sa kgoneng kore o thole hore ga o kgone wa bona so le taba ya sex ho na le batho ba o thole hore ho na le motho o ka havang sex a sa hlapa ho na le motho o utlwang hore this person tshwanetse a fete metsing kore e dependa ka batho guys
Ke a go.
Lena ke utlwile. What's the second question?
second question wa utlwela ditseba ntho tse la utlwela ditseba
Ke a go tla be.
le a ditseba ntho tsena
Ga di tseba be. Nka botsisa potong.
no problem
Sure.
Dedi a ka rata gore a be le bana.
ntho ya bana ntho e difficult nyana ho answer but because you know why I remember the last time ke ne ke ra ke batle bana but in my second wife ne ke batla ngwana ne ke matla ka pelo ka kaofela so for now honestly I don't see myself ke na le ngwana wa bona because imi ya ka kore nna ntate modimo a nthuse re kopane batho ba tla re tlo build up phelo ba rona not unless dintho di ka tsa change because you know dintho tsena di a change nna ne ke sa batle bana but le my second wife ne ke nyanana le yana ne re sa batle bana but we end up se re ke batla ngwana so it's difficult but for now the answer ya ka kore ke tseba ke se ready for bana no
Okay. Ya utlwala di.
The third one, my sister.
Actually, the third one in a go sister wife, but then unfortunately her thing.
Okay.
I don't know.
Sister wife, phone ahle. Phone yena.
Le bana ba ba kae sister wife le bana ba ba kae?
Ai sister wife ke shoba bangwe ba patile.
Ah, did.
Sister wife ke sho patile una le bo forma. Ba ke be live. Sister wife.
Ba kae?
Nna baka. Ba 5.
Ba le ba 5 ba sister wife.
Ke yona tlo araba.
Okay.
Sister wife.
Hello.
O tona le bana ba ba kae?
Hello, ke arabe.
Ya mme.
Ke na le bana ba 2 ke banana ba babedi.
Oh.
No, that's so nice. So go a gore nna ke le bana ba botlhe ba ba inine all in all.
Ore?
Are Ilena ke go tla ka 2 ka mantse mang lena le bana ba inine.
Ba ke bana ba ba inine.
Sister wife o mametse.
Okay, sister wife ke na le potso my love, how are you?
Lebo?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm good, my dear. And so hello?
Also ke go ba founela ka WhatsApp e tla ba right.
Wa go ka
Ke re go founela ka WhatsApp.
La go founela back is fine.
Ka WhatsApp ne?
Okay.
Ka WhatsApp because yona it's more louder ne.
And then ka WhatsApp tla be re eda fela. Yes. Viewers at home, remember Remo the Right Pick Season 2. We are in the search for Mam Nani M2. Jwale here, re tswere here di interviews. A kere re le jwetsitse hore if o satli rona re tla ya ho wena. Now ke tsela enana he e rona re tlang ho wena ka yona. Re ntse re bua le candidate ya rona. Now o ile a botsa Dr. November dipotso. Now o itse o kopa go a bue le Osleb. Now ho rona Harina Beria next Rabakopa.
Hello?
Network.
Hello? Is na road. Okay. Yeah.
Drop mo obomu eda mo kolong.
Di marlona ga le nkukwe.
No, let's so handa te moruta tla dropa ka phoso no ruta. Let's try it for the last time because ke yone go bank ride.
And I so dis re kwale shohla.
Yes, I so good dis re kwala show. Viewers at home, yalla. Hello, sweetheart.
Wa good brother.
Yes. Ke kopa fela ho eda sister wife on the call ne.
Nice, lovely.
Yes, my darling. Ke kopa fela ho eda Oslebu on the call. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
No problem, my dear.
And then Kiwo Oslebu utseni. Now can we talk now?
Hi. Yes.
O ka botsa Oslebu potso o mametse.
Potso e ke nang le yona for wena sister wife ke gore okay. Potso e ke nang le yona for wena Osle ke gore as much as re tsena mo lenyalong le o mo setlhopheng sena re le babedi. Ke batla go tlhaloganya fela gore should ke tle ka I don't know ke suggestion or idea ya gore ra apare diaparo tsa tshwana
Ba ban stress moratuwa wa ka. Even la re sa ye kerekeng e ba ke di occasion tse ding fela.
Oh, okay. Ka re ke a bona.
Nna monate.
Go tlo ba monate ha monate jwang. Ke na le potso e nngwe my love. I get wa itse gore ko kerekeng It's not everyone beside ko kerekeng a kere in general it's not everyone o ka go rata a kere but this one ke tlo bua ka kereke because of re tla be re le party ya kereke. But my question ke gore should it happen gore go ba le somebody ko kerekeng o gossipang ka nna o tlo dira bjang, especially in the bad way?
Mosebetsi wa ka as a wife and a sister wife is to protect family ya ka.
Thank you.
Yes.
Wait, qetile.
O tlo etsang?
Think it to protect that it part of my family, meaning I have to protect you with every fiber of my being.
Wena ka go rata itse.
Ke basadi ba gago.
Ke a leboga ke tsona fela.
Thank you.
Ke go rata ka.
Thank you. Thank you, family. Bye. Hey. M2. Kapa jwang? Marina, nna, I said nna. Ke motho o ratang dilo tse di right. That one I will leave it to Ntate Moruti. Right? I mean, we had an interview, re buile le yena, and now it's for Ntate Moruti to decide. But hara as much re sebeletsa ho kwala show, but the show is not yet closed. You are more than welcome to call. But this time, the numbers that you call, little bua direct Limseleku Junior. Little bua direct lu nto ntate wa teng, papa teng, ubaba. Little bua directly. The number tse le di phonela kitse ke 073 202 9079 073 202 9079. Now le tlo bua no baba wa sendlini, ntate wa lelapa wa ka tlung. Viewers at home, ka kopa
bana ba tswele
ko pele, please continue. Ha ke batle because remember I have the contact tse ngata, I have my people. O bone le before show a kere ke tswele ke lo bua ka phone. Ene le motho o reng o se le gato ke mo Bloemfontein since o re tshepisa to get us the partners. Now this show re santse re sebeletsa go ikwala because I have my single guys and my single ladies ba ileng hore ba ready ba batla di lifetime partner. Now ka kopa haufinyana ke tla be ke le jwetsa hore show yena na ya M2 re ikwetse and then re tla be re tla le yena re mo introduce a holon. But no, ha ke soka ke ikwala, that means you still have the opportunity hore o ka nna wa tla wa tlo kenela this show. The number tse le di phone ka di pheta hape ke 073 202 9079. Yes, ba bue le ntate wa teng, papa teng, ubaba ta ne ba tlo bua le ntate straight. You know why I'm doing this? Ke tlo mo botsa potso and then ka tsela tlo arabang ka yone you will understand why kere le bue le yena straight. I'm aware hore season 2 has nna for na as the host. Yeah, the right pick. Season 2 it's not an easy journey like season 1. It's not an easy journey. People are getting cold feet. People are dropping more the last minutes and now say like hakiri libuelian is just to make you comfortable, and then hahuna anything that will happen behind the camera. No testing, no testing, no testing. I'm protecting you guys. I'm protecting Ubaba. Now, go bua le ene fela ke gore o understand the kind of men that you are coming to. Yes, and then that's how we're going to do
but
it now.
I think you are right, Lerato, because I think when you compare season 1 and season 2, season 2 high is
high easy at all.
Yeah, because but by Sabanto, Marbakara, a lot of people bakara polygamy. Mari, but about straight, but prefer a polygamy. Uba side cheeky, uba side is Mari, but and that is why. But it's a problem. But Oksala, but bakara step.
But I listened to your shows for the past 2 weeks, Zamutao FM. And I think sometime here on the Right Peak, where we don't interview the candidate, where you come and teach about polygamy. Because lehaba to baitshaba, habaitshabeli bona. Baitshabela batho.
Bawaria
ka batho, you know, and bawaria le ka batho ba ntse ba iphela, but ba it just bone maybe ba bile le mokgwa wa ho ipata. But tsela I see the rate ya batho ba ile gore they enter for mamncane ne, and ke bona le tsela e ba dropang out ka teng the last minute. Now I think the only thing especially ladies, haholo is the teaching the polygamy. Now I'm pleading to you that sometime during this season before we kwala, get batho ba ile hore maybe ba iphela and come and teach us more about polygamy, because you're not sure
yeah, so sane. Yeah.
It's also haholo. Now ke understand the fear ya bona, because truly speaking, this journey season 2 is the most difficult journey. Ke sa tsebeng for wena.
No ke aware. Le ke aware ona le batho ba tlang, hona le batho ba batlang off the camera, ona le batho re etsang di appointment, ba bang ba ya bua like no re tata bua le the lady, ba bang bana le di fears ba bang. But like I said, the problem, you are 100% right, Aure. But it is not like by Taba. Marbatabela about Bawariaka about and then so that is the only thing. But Kenana Rana going to Tamai. But you tutor because Oksala but Bakara Dinto. Rate here cheating is too high. And as much as Rana or Banna by cheater, Marabachiti Libana Bamba Chita Basadi. So Banna Basadi Bakara cheating. Basadi Bakara cheating, worse.
Hey, neki ipotang. On send video engwe. We said home click le sherele. Ubaba. Ha into tsa step wa di follower. Yo. Temo kareng rona ba sa di raras pourri. O di follow a botlhoko. On send engwe. Motho abala percentage and the numbers ya banna, abala ya basadi. Aba bua gore na banna ba go di bakeng tse fe. Yo a ke le tsiksa go ba. Anda dikile ke sa go bala. Why ba padis?
Omarwai ne.
Oni jemme.
Ukuthi akuthina sonke esizoshada. Ugogo waze wayichaza kamnandi, uyichaza ngesintu nangecalling ukuthi why sinyeke size sishade sonke kodwa kusalayo bakhona
network.
Ke side yo ga tlebe ba padis.
I guess ke go pasela. Close. Okay, ke go paitsa tsena fa. Ke tse Facebook. Re kwala show guys. Re ya kwala marne ke batla le utlwe ntwe.
Hi.
Ladies, ukuthi akuthina sonke esizoshada. Ugogo waze wayichaza kamnandi, uyichaza population is male. Ngamanye amagama there are more females than male. So kuno 1.3 million extra yabantu besifazana within i-population yethu la eningizimu.
1 point
ono explain la viewers
lona wena
akiza ite 1 million ma
billion
sure
bese uzomunye umuntu athi yeah mina I'm not going to share my man in it's not feasible for you to have that mentality today. Kuno 1.3 million surplus yabantu besifazana amadoda ayashota. Amadoda ashota anjalo kuphinde kube namadoda asejele. And the population yasejele ne kugcwele amadoda.
Bantse ba shota jwalo population ya basadi ile 1.3 million ngothi bana ba bantse ba le tronko
ke bonile o mo fanda ga ya tronko o shotisitse kla
bathi population yasejele 2.2% of the population that is currently incarcerated in South Africa is female, but 97.78% of the population that is incarcerated in South Africa is male. Hayibo inani liyehla phinde futhi kushode uyayibona siqale ngakuthi abantu besifazana abaningi amadoda amancane uphinde futhi kube namadoda asejele liyehle inani amantombazana abe maningi even more. Lalela kuphinde futhi kube nalabantu besilisa abathi mina ngeke ngize ngishade ngiyashaya kuphela liyehla inani sithandwa sami ama chances angaka. Kuphinde futhi kube nalabantu besilisa laba I don't know the exact analytics ne but abenya ubekugcwela bobani estadini bobu bethu who are on drugs, who are out of the dating pool. Uyayibona ukuthi lenani liyehla over and above that. Kuphinde kube nale mentality yokuthi mina ngifuna tall, dark and handsome, educated and has money. Accept your fate, mdaka baba. If uyayifuna ngokwempela relationship lalela la. It's either isithembu or uyi-side chick unknown or uzoshare and wena you are going to be the one ongazi ukuthi you are busy sharing. Why? It's not feasible. Analytics siyashoda emhlabeni, sishoda ngamadoda. Yazi nje leyo nto leyo ukuthi injalo. Unless you still have a chance, unless it starts raining men. And la 3 million. We need 3 million men to reign today for everybody, every single lady to be satisfied to have their one partner all to themselves. So if you've been praying and fasting for a man, and if that prayer has not been answered in Mhlambe asithi 5 years, go back to that stage gogo. Who's evaluating now? Because maybe you are that lady. Akwazi nje ukuthi ashade accept situation yakho uyeke ukuzilambisa ngokufasting indoda because it's not feasible ukuthi sonke sishade.
Kubai.
Hi viewers at home.
Bye.
Alright, viewers at home, on today's show, a man from Limpopo who married 3 wives, and then and then Ahlahisa dintho tse ding about polygamy, and then a candidate but with okopa ho ba anonymous. Now that means who the candidate kaofela tse re nang le tsona hape re na le anonymous number 1. But I said as much as we are working towards closing the show, we are saying Tloyong and then Little Honor le Ntate Moruti. Now the numbers sending the phone and kitty number to little book direct Ntate Moruti. On today's show, Rutlo Oslebu Aries, she might not be part Kaparimon Ahlahela, Jolokarasa Mona last week on Leker Frida, Jolokarimona today Alisuko, but she is still very much happy, Ntate Moruti, and Basanse ba Emika Mautu, ba Emeteta ya Hore Batole, Mam Nani Iling M2. Jwale he rebile candidate anonymous number 1. Now lona phone nang le khono bua le Ntate Moruti, and then re khono bona hore na next week re etsa jwang ka show. But like I said, I have single ladies and single guys ba ile hore they are ready re santse re tlo etsa show ya rona ya the right pick for the singles. Now ke koka le kopa re nkile nako e telele haholo ka taba ena na ya M2 ke kopa letse njalo phoneang sendang di WhatsApp sendang di picture then re kgonong ho decide di number tse le di phonela ke 073 202 9079 073 202 9079 ke lebohile haholo ka taba ena na e etsahetseng today ya gore re bile le batho ga ba ga bua le ntate moruti bile ba hlaisa haholo a ba teba ka gore yena ha nyalle eng o nyalla e mare he because ha ke sa le show ke na le hlompo but we thank God for the way it's done. Now, viewers at home, Victoria's Faith Ministries Hamoli Dr. November Renalu Women's Conference this Saturday. Ticket ki 250. Retodula Fasi and have a session with Dr. November Osle Busi Bongile Sonopo. Nani food. Also lovely. Also all right. Come ladies. Reto kotang ribueng. Basadi rea goisha. Basadi hari tenkina ya hore. We must stand up for ourselves, for our dreams, for our households, and most importantly for our community. Because if one woman can be healed, we will have a better nation. Now kalimema. Le Dr. November wali mema oslebu wali mema sebongile sonopo wali mema di number tse le di phone for di ticket ke di number tse le di phone ka mehla tsa kereke tsa 0790833833 0790833833 tse ding ke 0783983446 tseo ke for women's conference. Saturday, come and have a session with Dr. November. Dr. November tlabalite o tlo mo botsa eng kapa eng. No mai. O tlo mo botsa hore na wena o feta ka hare ha eng. Dr. November tlo mo botsa. Dr. November is going to give us women a free counseling. Ketelong a rapelle for those ba re Dr. November re manyalo o tlo hlonolofatsa manyalo a lona for ba leng hore ba le ka di courtship. Dr. November o tlo le thusa hore from a level e ya bu courtship ya relationship ya maslalisane o move jwang o etsa ntate di eng o metsa eng hore a tatele hore a o kenye mo ne. Now ha re kopaneng Saturday ka 10:30 for 12 o'clock ka lukopa bomme back ba bomme ba nang le bo ausi ka tlu member ausi bo. And then ha re kopane. Dr. November, do you have anything to say?
I'm okay.
Kinga moyo hat ono na no go kgetha vandag
o tle me yona re a re le shota banna ba milioni
ya no se ipotsa go ba go tlhaga kae. Viewers at home, love and peace from Na to you. Bye.